Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see Instagram story video quality bad after uploading. So if you're facing that problem, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on settings and privacy, and now you have to scroll all the way down. And inside your apps and media, you can find data use and media quality. You just have to tap on that option. And you can find the second option, upload at high quality. So if this option is turned off, Instagram story video quality might be bad. So if you want to have a high quality upload on your Instagram application, you just have to turn on this option. And after turning on this option, your Instagram story video quality will be improved significantly than before. So this is what you have to do if Instagram story video quality is bad after uploading. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.